Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you how to scalp with on using RSI and scalping on 5-minute time frame. Okay, I believe this video will be helpful to you, and trust me, you don't need any mentorship, you don't need any technical analysis, anything, you know, in depth, in the sense that you don't need anything um, much for you to be able to trade using this setup. Okay, so it's just a very simple analysis, and I'll be showing you how to use RSI with your MT4 or MT5 to scalp. Okay, so the essence of this video is to show you how to scalp using your RSI um, on MT4 or MT5. So alright guys, I'm using MT5 at the moment, and you could see, if you look down on my RSI, you will notice that I have some red boxes, right? Alright, so I did this before the video, so I'll be showing you some stuff. Now in this analysis, when you want to scalp using this setup, whenever price gets to 70% on your RSI, be expecting to sell, or you can sell, right? And whenever price gets to 30%, you can buy. Now let me walk you through the chart and then show you what I mean. Now let's use this tool so that we can be able to measure it. Now if you look at this very point here, where I have, if you look down on my RSI, let me put an arrow pointer. All right, if you look at this on my, if you look at this on my RSI, I have a red box, right? And then if you look up here, this is where price gets to, right? This is where price gets to. Now let's use this tool in order for us to measure. Now if you look at the RSI, where I have the first box, right, and then where I have arrow pointed to or pointing at on the chart, you will notice that using this tool, this plus sign, to you could see that we have price get to 70%, and then we had a reversal, right? It sold from that very point, right? It sold from that very point. Now looking at the next one, let me delete this. All right, so coming to the next one, if you look below, we have a box on our 30% in our RSI. Let me get an arrow to. All right, we have a box on our 30%, and then this is where price reversed, right, on our charts. Now let's use this tool in order for us to measure it. Now measuring it, you notice that price gets to 30%, which is this bearish momentum, right? The price got there and then it reverses back all the way to the upside. All right, now what this strategy tells you or teaches you is for you to know that whenever price gets to 30%, whenever price gets to 30%, you should be expecting to buy, and whenever it gets to 70%, you should be expecting to what? To sell. So let's check other examples, and in this very one, we have price from here, price from here, price from here, okay, price from here reversed, right? So look at it. I'm using this tool to measure it. Now from this box at 70%, you notice that price was going bullish, and then all of a sudden it gets to 70%, and you could see that at 70 we had a reversal at this very point here. Okay, so we had a reversal at this point here. We had a reversal at this point. So you could see it just like I explained. Price gets to 30 and then it bought, it got to 70 and it sold. So you can use this strategy, without any confluence whatsoever to trade like profitably. You can trade profitably using this strategy. Okay, so now should in case you want to add confluence to it, I would say you use um chart pattern formation, right? Candlestick formation, rather. Candlestick formation. Now if you look at it, price gets to 70, right? Now you could see we have an inverted hammer, right? Of this bearish inverted hammer. Let me point it. This bearish inverted hammer. We had this bearish inverted hammer here. We had a bearish inverted hammer. That's to tell you that sellers are becoming stronger in the market, right, at that moment. So if you look at it, we have a bullish inverted hammer. You could use inverted hammer as a confluence, okay, for you to either buy or sell. Okay, so that's that for the strategy. And let's say, for example, on your chart you don't have RSI and you're thinking, how do I add RSI to my chart? So let me remove my RSI, then I'll show you how to do that. So now what you need to do is you come to your slant, this icon here, the slant F. You click on it and then you come here to main to you click on this sign here, this slant F with a plus sign in a cycle, right? You click on it and then you scroll down. What you will look out for is you are looking for moving relative strength index, right? Here is it. Where is it? Let me get it. I think I passed it, right? Relative strength index, right? So you tap on it and then you don't need to do any settings. What you just need to do is either you change the color to your preferred color, but I will prefer leaving this color, and then you click on done. So by the time you click on done, it's added to your chart. Okay, so now you notice that those boxes I have, I set on my chart initially on the RSI are no more. So that is just that about the strategy. Okay, so practice it on your demo account and see the outcome before you actualize it or practice it or trade with it on your real account. Okay, so now you may want to ask, I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, you may want to ask what time frame is suitable for trading this setup. You can actually use 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Now let's check 15 minutes. Now on 15 minutes, you notice that we have similar scenario, right? You could see it here on it got to 30% right here, and then it pulled back, it bought, right? It got to 70% right over here, and then it sold, right? So you could see different examples, right? Over here, price got to 70 right at this point. At my RSI, it got to 70 and then it sold, right? Although at that point we're having some kind of consolidation, and it's not something you could hold. It's not a trade that you could hold for a long time. Now the another thing again for you to take note is that this strategy, no strategy is 100%, right? But I can guarantee you that this strategy can give you 70, 80, 85% win rate. Yeah, I don't want to say 90%, but I've traded it using it multiple times and it has been successful in the past weeks. Like this has been this has been a strategy I've been using on different occasions, and I've been So this is a strategy I've been using on different occasions, and it has been coming out successful. So guys, that is that for this video. I would like you to give this video a thumbs up, comment, tell me what you think about the strategy. Tell me what you think. Have you practiced it before? Did you ever trade with this strategy before? Again, one important thing I would like to say, you use this strategy on volatile pairs, right? Like Euro USD, I believe it's a volatile pair, and gold is a volatile pair, XAU USD. They are volatile pairs, and GBP USD, these are volatile pairs. So I would like you to make use of this strategy on volatile pairs and tell me how the outcome is in this video. Okay, so comment and tell me what you think about this video, and please subscribe. I'll be bringing short market analysis or strategies or concepts that will help you in order for you to make money in the forex market. Alright guys, so that is that. Please ensure you click on the subscription button, because I have a lot of things, simple steps I will be exposing to you guys that will help you guys in the forex market.